has been too long since getting back to the computer to be able to share all the fabulous things happening in my hood for the holidays. After recovering from an annual round of COVID, which legitimately knocked us down for a while, I'm still recovering from a cough, we got invited to preview the Glow Holiday Lights event at the Saints Stadium in St. Paul. Where my husband and I frequent baseball, it was so awesomely bizarre to see the stadium's halls decked out in Christmas light swag. There were reindeer and presents, and holiday essence was giving such strong vibes of joy. And while Santa was there to ask both of us kids if we'd been a good girl and good boy, pursuing the park and the field in the dark just provided us magic that night. And while there, grab a cocoa, and friend, don't go solo. I promise you'll love all the lights. It was such a blast to grab all of these photos and videos of the fun things at the park. Definitely a must for bringing the kids to add a little magic to the season. After we went and experienced that awesome event, I was so excited to get up my holiday decorations that I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait before Thanksgiving was over, so I went ahead and pulled out some of these decorations and purchased a few more. I really like some of the picks I get at Hobby Lobby and Target at the Threshold brand, and made this whole piece pop and look real. We went to go finish painting up the downstairs bedroom for our guests coming from the holiday. When I tell you I was so excited to get one of 2 Christmas trees up for the start of the season, it's legitimately my favorite part of the year. This tree actually is going to house half of our ornaments, and I did a silver and white, bit of a blue and purple kind of theme, black and white. So kind of cooler tones on this tree, which I think it turned out great. We've got the blinking lights on here and a couple of ornaments I actually made myself. So I'm very excited to see this go up. Stay tuned for more holiday fun to see our second tree go up, and after Thanksgiving, while we do a run and enjoy ourselves at our neighbor's place.